What do you want to do?
I want to do a cornrow from this front to behind here.
Can you do cornrow from the front to the back? You're trying. You want to do it. But as it's your first time trying to learn how to do cornrow, you cannot just go and do it complete. It's good you cut it in a way you'll be able to learn first from the back. So it's better you divide the hair into two than you try to learn from this section, the back part.
Okay. Try dividing them.
You part the hair into two sections, the front part and the back part.
This is the back section, this is the front section.
Yeah, you use a band to tie the front part. Is your pattern clean? Let me check. You have to make sure that you part very well, that it's very shiny. Make sure you take your time and part it well in a way that you don't need to let it be straight. So it's make your pattern straight. For the start, it's okay. At this point, she was trying to detangle the hair very well before she started cornrowing. So I was kind of teaching her how to detangle natural hair, that she should do it very gently and not pull the hair. So she was doing her best to detangle the hair before she started with the cornrow. Then you use your comb, you cut it, you just part one section of it at the front. You're dividing into three. You cut a section of hair, is here, you divide it into three sections, then you use this one, you pass your finger under, you bring it to this side, make sure you hold it tight, you hold it like this, you pass your finger again, and you pass like this, and after you've braided this first section 1, 2, 3 times, then you start picking a little bit of hair from here and adding it to it, and you continue braiding. On this side, you also pick a little bit of hair, add to it, and you continue braiding, just like that. You make like that, you pick a little bit of hair, add to this hand. You make sure that you are holding your hair, this finger and this finger hold from there, and you cross it. This other finger goes beneath to this other side. You see? Then on this side, you pick another pinch of hair, you add to this, you put it here. So between your thumb and your, normally it's supposed to be my index finger, but because my this finger is having a problem, so I put it between my middle finger. On this side, I still pick a bit of hair, I add it between my thumb and my index finger, just like that, and you braid, and you see how it keeps going. So You can take it off when you do it. You hold it at the bottom there. Warte. You hold the hair here at the bottom on this side, and you hold this one at this bottom. Then you press it with this other finger. Normally you press with your middle finger. You press it down with your middle finger. Why this one is free? This one is free to go under this one. Then you hold it here. You see this one is alone up here. Then you come now with this other hand. You hold it here, and this one is free. You pass it under here, and then you hold this side, just like that. Teaching is not an easy job, guys. I'm trying my best to make sure that she gets it right. But yeah, it's her first time trying it. I know she's gonna get it right one day. So I will keep doing my best. And to be honest, teaching is not an easy job, but with God, all things are possible. Thank you all so much for watching. And I would love to see you all again in my next video. Bye bye.